Team deathmatch. Get out there. Promote the company.
Yeah, I don't really give a fuck about the fame. Only money I can stack right to the grave. Shout out all the ones that finally tell my name. Shout out Florida, that's where I was born and raised. Now watch them run their fucking mouth like they know what it's about. Watch them write on like their articles. When I start acting out, I drop a track the next day. Playing when we hit the stage, I'm saying thanks. All the hate just pay my bills, I'm feeling great. And on my villain shit, killing shit. Don't care how you feeling shit. Lately I've been crawling out the ditch. You know I've been scared to ride these days. I might say something real, cause being fake will make you meals, but the truth will get you killed. Been having dark days, never gave a fuck about me anyways. Hard to say if I should keep on going or just fade away. Digging graves, yeah bitch, why you sleep? Just know I stay awake. Bags under my eyes, but what's a life without some pain? Yeah, I don't really give a fuck about the fame. Only money I can stack right to the grave. Shout out all the ones that finally call my name. Shout out Florida, that's where I was born and raised. Now watch them run their fucking mouth like they know what I'm about. Watch them write all of their articles. When I start acting out, I drop a track the next day. Play it when we hit the stage, I'm saying thanks. All the hate just pay my bills, I'm feeling great. Yeah, pretend like you don't know me anymore, I guess I get it. You don't wanna get involved with all this shit, I'm not offended. Honestly, I like your work, that's why we almost made a track. But it's funny, you forget about me after backlash. Now I'm a lone wolf, I don't go outside, my track's so full. I just stay inside and make my music fucking great. I used to want the mainstream, but it's filled with fake dreams. I give too much of myself to ones that underrate me, yeah. I don't really give a fuck about the fame. Only money I can stack right to the grave. Shout out all the ones that finally tell my name. Shout out Florida, that's where I was born and raised. Now watch them run their fucking mouth like they know what I'm about. Watch them write all of their articles. When I start acting out, I drop a track the next day. Play it when we hit the stage, I'm saying thanks. All the hate just pay my bills, I'm feeling great.
Endlich!
Soak up the rags, spark up the max, light up the night and I never look back. I am the hunter, you are the monster. I am the entity, I am the haunter. Fight with no water, fight with no water. Bring me the leg, I won't choke on the water. I am the author, you are the paper. Review the quality, the blood on the razor. Motherfucker, I am the product, I never feeling my feelings. I run up on them in the middle of the night and I can't let my drill a hole in the villain. The fit of whatever mistake can tell me shit, I don't listen. I'm burning up with the witches. Always been the same and I'll never change. Drifting the waves and I'm swept away. Catch me with the flames, I'ma decimate. And if I rest today, I'll just accept my fate. Feel, am I really here? Dwelling every fear, there's no here, let me hear me out. Show me who I was, patient and faithfully chasing the sun. Drag me down, deep into the ground. Seep into the weakness, gotta get the secret out. I am alone, inside my head. I can be killed if I'm already dead. Heartless entity, double identity. Look at me, see what you did to me. Look at you, this is the end of you. Thought I was done, but bitch, this is the interlude. I would be cautious, watch where you step. I am your conscience, I am your breath. I am the sovereign, never to rest. I will break down your will until nothing is left.
Yeah, got it.
I don't wanna live forever, I just wanna die a king. I don't wanna live forever, I just wanna die a king. I don't wanna live forever, I just wanna die a king. I don't wanna live forever, I just wanna die monster. I am the entity, I am the haunter. Fight with no water, fight with no water. Bring me the leg, I won't choke on the water. I am the author, you are the vapor. Rip you apart, leave the blood on the razor. Motherfucker, I am the product and never feeling my feelings. I run up on them in the middle of the night and I can't let my drill a hole in the villain. The feel of whatever missing can tell me shit I don't listen. I'm burning up with the witches. Always been the same and I'll never change. Drifting away, I'm swept away. Catch me with the flames, I'm a decimated. And if I rest today, I'll just accept my fate. I don't wanna live forever, I just wanna die a king. I don't wanna live forever, I just wanna die a king. I don't wanna live forever, I just wanna die a king. I don't wanna live forever, I just wanna die a king.
I'm not gonna let you get the chance.
Stop it.
This is our fight.
Get some
Stay
help.
focused. Mission failed.
Yo, holy shit, he dead!
Did I get more kills than she did at least?
All in a good day's work.
I don't want to talk about it.
No.
Look at this shit. Ow. Oh, that's not. No, that's not. I don't want to talk about this shit. That didn't happen. Guys, I whooped his ass. I fucked him up.
I saw all of it.
I know, it's sad.
No, you whooped his ass.
Thank you.
Let's go back
What
to
was the
Thursday.
end
unless- I should be.
What was the end score?
My main kills were all hard scope. Waiting for him to come around a corner.
Alright, we're gonna go.
Oh,
We're gonna play some
he
safe.
left.